Imagine waking up one morning, checking your bank account, and seeing an extra $10,000 that wasn't there just a month ago. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream became my reality, and today I'm going to tell you exactly how I made $10,000 in just 1 month. In this video, I'm sharing my step-by-step guide on how I achieved this, including the tips, tricks, and strategies that worked for me. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, boost your income, or simply get inspired, this video will show you how it's possible. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on future content that can help you achieve your financial goals. And if you're excited to learn how I did it, smash that like button and leave a comment below with your income goals for the next month. Setting the stage. First, let's set the stage. A month ago, I was just like many of you, working a regular job, dreaming of financial freedom, and wondering how to make more money. I decided to challenge myself and see if I could make $10,000 in just 1 month. It seemed impossible at first, but I was determined to give it my all. Step 1. Identify a high-demand niche. The first step was identifying a high-demand niche. I brainstormed ideas and noticed a growing interest in online learning, especially in digital marketing skills. With so many businesses moving online, I realized that offering a course on social media marketing could be incredibly valuable. Quote, as Warren Buffett said, the best investment you can make is in yourself. So, I invested in learning everything I could about creating and marketing an online course. Step 2. Create a valuable product. With my niche decided, I got to work creating a high-quality online course. I spent hours researching, planning, and filming the content. I made sure the course was packed with actionable tips and insider knowledge that would genuinely help people succeed. To keep things interesting, I added real-life case studies and success stories to show what was possible. One of my favorite stories was about a small business owner who doubled her sales after applying my course strategies. This not only added credibility, but also made the content relatable and inspiring. Step 3. Build an engaged audience. Next, I needed an audience. I started by leveraging my existing social media channels, sharing valuable content related to digital marketing. I used engaging posts, stories, and live sessions to attract followers. One tip that worked wonders was creating short, engaging videos that offered quick tips and insights. These videos were like mini previews of the course and helped build anticipation. Advice: your vibe attracts your tribe. It's crucial to be authentic and genuinely passionate about what you're sharing. People can sense authenticity, and it helps build trust. Step 4. Launch with a bang. I planned a big launch event for my course. This included a free webinar where I shared some of the best tips from the course and offered a special launch discount for attendees. The excitement and urgency created by the limited time offer worked wonders. People signed up quickly, eager to get in on the deal. During the webinar, I shared stories of past student successes, like how one freelancer used my tips to land her first high-paying client. These stories helped potential customers see the tangible benefits of the course. Step 5. Leverage email marketing. I didn't stop there. I used email marketing to nurture leads and remind people of the value the course offered. I sent follow-up emails with testimonials, more free tips, and countdowns to create urgency. I also included personal anecdotes about my own journey, making the emails more relatable and engaging. Step 6. Offer exceptional customer support. After the launch, I focused on providing exceptional customer support. I created a private Facebook group for course members, where I offered extra tips and answered questions. This not only helped my students, but also created a community around the course, encouraging word-of-mouth marketing. Tip: people will forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Exceptional customer support can turn your customers into loyal advocates. The result: by the end of the month, the course had not only reached, but exceeded, the $10,000 mark. It was a combination of finding the right niche, creating a valuable product, building an engaged audience, and providing excellent customer support. So, there you have it. That's how I made $10,000 in just 1 month. If you're inspired and ready to start your journey, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs to see this, and comment below with your income goals. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more content like this. Remember, success is within your reach if you take the first step. As Zig Ziglar once said, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Start today, take action, and you could be the next success story. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.